Before highways stretched across America, before trucks dominated farms and industries, one vehicle set the standard: the 1917 Ford Model TT, built to be stronger, tougher, and ready for the toughest jobs. This was Ford's first ever pickup truck. Henry Ford's Model T was already changing the world, but it wasn't strong enough for heavier loads. So, Ford introduced the Model TT, an upgraded version with a stronger frame and a powerful rear axle built for work, not just travel. Unlike the Model T, the Model TT could carry up to 1 ton of cargo, thanks to its reinforced frame. It came with a 2.9L four-cylinder engine and a worm-drive rear axle, making it tougher and more reliable for hauling and delivery work. With a price tag of just $600, businesses, farmers, and industries rushed to get their hands on the Model TT. It became the backbone of transportation, carrying food, tools, and supplies across the country. This was just the beginning. Ford's first truck laid the foundation for an empire of pickups, leading to the legendary F-Series we know today. Without the Model TT, there would be no Ford F-150. Over a century later, the Ford Model TT still holds a special place in history as the truck that started it all. What do you think? Could you see yourself driving one of these classic workhorses today? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.